from. This 25-acre estate is run by a second-generation family who have got a huge vision to bring a sustainable family destination to this site.
We've been working with Dynamics accountants for around 7 years now. They provide day-to-day bookkeeping, obviously our financial accounting returns each year, monthly management accounts, and probably most importantly, our payroll services. Like many hospitality businesses, we have quite limited resources, so I'm the admin team.
Goodness, I must say that noise when they came over, just goosebumps. Amazing. Hello, can you tell us who you are, please, and what you're doing today?
So I'm Lee Churchill from Mars and Bar. I'm the lettings manager, and we're one of the main sponsors of the Folks in Air show.
The final was actually really difficult. We had not such a good semi-final. It put us on the outside of the front row for the final. The first half of the year has been absolutely manic. We've had round after round after round, so much going on the start of the season. And then to win at Mondello was just absolutely unbelievable. The Nitro weekend was superb. Flying the car through the air, it's fantastic. So confidence is really high. We've got a little break now, so we can make a bit more progress, re-prep, draw a breath, but it just builds and builds and builds, because now you know that it's possible.
So there is a cocktail that has been taking the social media world by storm. It is the Negroni Spagliato. And that's what we're making today, right?
Absolutely it is.
And did I pronounce it right?
You've got that right, yeah. Spagliato, S-B-A-G. We've got that, perfect.
Let's go for that. And we're with our partners, Whitley Neal, who are providing the delicious gin in this Negroni Spagliato.
So what I've done is, so this is a riff on the classically known Negroni, which is most commonly known as 3 parts of gin, a bitter, most commonly Campari, and a sweet vermouth.
In this exercise, you are to even out a slope and load the material on several dump trucks.
Harry, another great line. Cadbury could be a hat trick. That is set lovely. I see this is everything new. Hat trick for Nate. He's out of the back. Has he got his hands on it? He has, hasn't he? He's such a little truff. He's what? I see him looking at. Big drive. 3, 4, 5. Twin Towers. It's a good ball. Let's see what their rolling ball's about. I agree here. Yeah, oh, Christ, that was nearly short, but yeah.
this could be a little bit of retaliation from what's just happened earlier on down the line. It looks like Neil Sweeney is going to be going to the bin. Interesting. It'll be interesting to see what the AR is going to say, because the AR saw something earlier and did come onto the pitch.